Hello, if you need XAPK installer, this is the best one of all that I tried. It won't come up in search first because it's called Split APK installer, and it's not clear that it's a XAPK installer, but it's very useful and it doesn't crash like all others crash at some point and fail to install some XAPKs, but this one works flawlessly for me. Someone might have the problems, but for me this is perfect one. So it has this light and dark mode, and you can also search for apps, which I don't use. I only use for one that I already have downloaded, and it has different settings. It doesn't really show all the features in these screenshots, so let me just show you directly from my phone. Okay, so this is how it looks in dark mode. There's other light modes and dark modes that you can select. This is a default light and dark, and then you can change all kinds of different. That's really not important. It's your preference. So when you go to settings, there's a bunch of different settings. You can also install enable this pro mode, which it tells you all kinds of details that you need to install. I think it's a very useful feature. And then you can leave everything else to default, and you can also open APK files with this. So first time when you want to install XAPK, you will have to click this install APKs button, and then you will get two options. One of the options is internal file picker, the other one is system file picker. System file picker gives you more control, where you can search for the files, and then you just locate the file, and you can get the option for installing them, or if you're doing this the second time and then it already recognizes the file, you can go directly to the file and then just click on the file itself. So for example, here I renamed this XAPK file. It's not exactly called like this, but just for a purpose of this video. So you can just click on it, or first time you can also click from here, and then you have to open it as and then other and find this Split APK installer to be default. But the second time you get this option, right? So this is how it's gonna install the files. It gives you all kinds of different useful information. So base APK, it gives you this link to Google Play Store page where this was from, and it gives you also this optional a feature, and also if this architecture, and also optionals, for example for language, all the way at the bottom if it supports different languages. And sometimes they have more options, sometimes they have less. And yeah, from here you can just click install and it will install. Obviously when you click install, it's gonna take a little bit to install. It will give you this a process bar, and it's gonna say installing, and then after some time, because it's extracting APK, it's gonna also prompt you this install from normal, how you would normally install, and then you just click install, and then when it's done, it's gonna show you how it looks. So this is when the installation is completely finished, and you can just launch it from here, or you can just launch it from the home screen like usual apps. This is finished, and yeah, it's very simple. So I think this was useful. If you have any other questions for any useful stuff, let me know. Okay, that's all. See you.